fingers. I think I just did it. Actually, no. But why do you always come into my chat and ask me to crack my fingers? Do you have like a fetish?
You're going to church tomorrow if God is a cheeseburger. Me too.
Back. You specifically, what is the issue with all meat? Do you think the killing of animals is morally wrong in any context? Historically, animals have been used for food for millennia.
Oh. Alright.
Hand, but like right here, my hand feels sore and it hurts. Oh, sorry. Sorry. That was fun. It felt so good.
ASMR cracking Devin's joints confirmed. Let's just do an ASMR stream of me just like cracking my joints. Hold on. That's so bad.
Thank you, thank you. Ruben Orange, thank you for the sub. Oh. Should I try my back? Oh. That side hardly cracks. Juicy. Oh my god. Oh. The back cracks. They're so pleasant.